engineers, welcome to Cruise Control Automation. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, I'll urge you to subscribe. Alright, you just hit the subscribe button and then you hit the bell icon. You select all to receive all my notifications. Alright, yeah. Today we are going to look at jogging circuit. Okay, forward and reverse jogging circuit. Alright, yeah. One of my subscribers asked for this circuit. That's you want to also see this circuit. All right, you want to learn something from it. So I also decided to do this video, okay, for all of us. All right, this is jogging circuit, forward and reverse. Okay, yeah. So if you are new to this channel, I'll urge you to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to share the video to your friends. Okay, and if you want to understand the jogging circuit well, then I'll urge you to watch my previous videos on jogging circuit. That is the part 1, part 2, part 3. All right, this one is part 4. Okay, yeah. So let's get started. So engineers, this is the circuit diagram for the forward and reverse jogging circuit. Okay, yeah. I've already explained the forward side in my part 3 of the jogging circuit. Okay, but I would re-explain it again, and then I come to the reverse side. And now I've also introduced some indicating lights. Okay, yeah, some indicating lights. This ones. Okay, so we'll be using them to indicate the direction maybe the motor is operating. Okay, yeah. So let's begin the explanation. Now we have here from this side, okay, to this side. Okay, from this line here to this side. Okay, so this side is the forward, okay, direction side. This circuit is the forward direction circuit. And then from this side, okay, if you can see well, I've indicated it with I've divided them with a dashed line. Okay, yeah, so from here, okay, coming is the reverse side. Now let me explain the component. We have our forward start push button. Okay, this is our forward start. We have our control relay 1, and then the jog push button. All right, the jog push button, and then the forward contactor. This one is our forward contactor, and then this one, this lamp or light, is an indicating light. Okay, that indicates that the motor is running either in jog or in latch. Okay, either in jog mode or latch mode. When I mention latch, it means that when you press on the start push button, okay, and you release your hand, still the contactor will still remain energized. All right, that is the latch, because that's latched. All right, so now this light indicates that the motor, okay, the forward contactor is energized either in jog mode or in latch mode. Okay, this light, okay, is an indicating light that indicates that the motor, the forward direction, is stopped. Okay, it is stopped. So we have forward, okay, forward off. This one is forward on, forward off. So when the motor is in stop mode, okay, when it is in stop mode, this light would come on, it will lit. Okay, but when the motor is running, this light will go off, and then this light would come on. So they are vice versa. Okay, yeah. And then when we come to the reverse side, we have our reverse push button, control relay 2, and then the reverse contactor K2. Okay, yeah. And then the reverse jog button, okay, and our indicating lights here. Okay, reverse on, reverse off. So now let's begin the explanation. Now this one is an overload relay. Okay, it's our stop push button. All right, yeah. So let me explain the forward. Now when we want the motor to operate, let's say when you press on the first start push button, okay, the contactor would energize. When we remove our hand, the contactor will still remain energized. So in that case, we will press on the forward start push button. Okay, yeah. Okay, but when you want the motor to be running in jog mode, when you press it, the contactor would energize. when you remove your hand from the start push button, okay, from the jog button, the contactor will de-energize. Okay, now you press on the forward jog button. The same applies to the reverse side. Okay, now when I press on this push button, okay, the forward start push button, control relay 1 CR1 will energize. Okay, to energize. When it energizes, okay, this one is an open contact on this relay. Okay, so when this relay energizes, this contact will also close. Okay, let's come down here. We have also the same contact here, CR1. It is also an open contact on this same relay. So as this relay energizes, this contact, they will close. Okay, so when this contact closes, okay, this contact closes, let's see, current is allowed to flow through the closed contact, through this side, this portion, okay, to energize the contactor, P1, that is the forward contactor. Okay, at the same time, this lamp, okay, the on indicating lamp, it will also come on because current is flowing through. So the forward contactor will energize. At the same time, this indicating line, okay, that indicates that the motor is running. It will also what? Indicate, or to let. Okay, now, so in this case, when this contactor energizes, okay, this contact, it is also an open contact on this K1. So the moment this contactor energizes, this contact will also close. So now I have a closed section here. Let's see, close. Okay, so current is also flowing through this closed contact, okay, to the relay. So when we remove our hand from this forward start push button, okay, because these contacts are all closed, they are now serving as the purpose of a hold on contact for this relay. Okay, and as long as this relay is on, this contact will remain closed. Okay, and then the contactor K1 will still remain energized, and this forward on light will also remain on. Okay, so in this case, the motor will be running in the latch mode or latch state. Okay, yeah. Now when you want to off the motor, let me come here. You see this closed contact. So when the contactor also energizes, this contact will open, and then the red light will also go off. This red light to go off. Okay, this red light to go off. Okay, yeah. So when you press on the stop push button, okay, this relay would de-energize. When it de-energizes, let's see what happens here. This contact, okay, it will open. This contact was open. Okay, so when this contact opens, see, the current part is now blocking. So it means that this K1 and then the on light, this light and the K1, they are going to go off. So in that case, when the contactor de-energizes, this contact will open back. At the same time, this contact that's opened, it will now become closed. Okay, so it means that when the contactor de-energizes, this red lamp or this off indicating lamp, it will come on again. Okay, it will come on again. The same applies today. Now let's see the jog mode. Okay, let's see the jog mode. When you press on the jog push button, okay, when you press on the jog push button, okay, this contactor would energize. This lamp, okay, would come on. It will let. Okay, when the contactor energizes, this contact will open, and then the red lamp or the light will go off. Okay, so as long as our hand is still on the jog push button, all right, this contactor is energized. But when you remove our hand, because it doesn't have any hold on contact, all right, to keep it on in the jog mode, when we remove our hand, the contactor will go off. All right, it will go off. So that is the jog mode. So when in the jog mode, when you press it, the contactor will energize, and then the motor will be going in the forward direction. But when you remove your hand, it will go off. So you press, it will go. When you take off your hand, it will go off. So that is the jog mode. Okay, so the same applies to the reverse side. All right, so when you press on the reverse push button here, this CR2 would energize. Okay, when it energizes, this contact, okay, it's an open contact on this. So when this relay 2 energizes, this contact will close. At the same time, let's see this contact here. This contact is also an open contact on this same relay. So as the relay energizes, this contact would also close. This contact would also close. So when this contact closes, okay, the K2 would energize. Okay, at the same time, the on indicating light, okay, will also come on to indicate that the reverse contactor is energized, or the motor is going or moving or operating in the reverse direction. Okay, and at that same time, this contact will also open because it's a closed contact on this. So as the K2 also energized, this contact will open to turn off, okay, this red lamp. Okay, yeah, to turn off this red lamp. So that is the off indicating lamp for the reverse side. Okay, now when you want to press, so now as this, okay, as the K2 also energized, okay, this side also closed. All right, it's also closed. So now as it's closed, it's also provided what, a close contact or a hold on contact. So it means that we have a close contact here, a close contact here. So now current is flowing through these two close contacts to the relay. So even if we remove our hand from the reverse start push button, the CR2 will still remain energized. And as long as it's energized, this contact is what, also closed to keep or to maintain the K2 or the reverse contactor in the on state. Okay, yeah, that is the latching mode. Now we want to operate the reverse contactor, okay, in the jog state. So you stop, okay, you press the stop to stop it, right? You press the stop now to de-energize this CR2 to also at the same time de-energize the K2. Now we are coming to operate the motor in the reverse jog. So you just press on the jog push button here. Okay, when you press on the jog push button here, the K2 would energize. Okay, so as long as our hand is still on the push button, the K2 will energize. At the same time, this on indicating lamp, it will also come on, right? And then this side, this contact will open, and then the off indicating lamp will go off. So that is the jog mode. Okay, that is the jog mode. So when we remove our hand from the jog push button, okay, the reverse contactor will de-energize. All right, to de-energize. Okay, so that is the operation of the forward and reverse jog mode. Okay, so these lamps, okay, they are all common to the jog operation and then the latch operation. Okay, yeah. So the reason why I said that is that let's look at this side, the on here. Okay, when you press the forward start push button, this push button, the K1 will energize. Okay, this CR1 will energize. Here this side will close, providing current to the K1 and this lamp. At the same time, when you press on the jog push button, okay, so the K1 will energize. At the same time, current will also flow through to energize this. So these lamps, okay, this lamp, okay, this lamp, the on indicating lamp, okay, they are common to both the jog mode and then the latch mode. Okay, so now let's begin the wiring. All right, let's begin the wiring. So as I said, we are going to have our stop push button. Okay, so that is it, this one, and then our forward starts. Okay, forward starts, and then our CR1. Okay, this will be our CR1. All right, okay, and then we have our on indicating lamp 1. Okay, this one will be the forward on. Okay, the forward indicating lamp, the green, and then we have our forward off indicating lamp to be this side. Okay, this one. All right, over here, when you come here, down the reverse, you have the reverse reverse push button. Okay, the reverse push button. So that is it. All right, and then we have our CR2. Okay, this is it, our relay 2. Okay, and then we have our reverse jog. Okay, the reverse jog. This is our reverse jog. This is our reverse jog. So it will be this push button. Okay, now I didn't mention the forward jog. This is the forward jog push button. Okay, so it will be this one. Okay, all right. Now we have the reverse on and then reverse off indicating lamps. So this one will be our reverse on, and then this one will be our reverse off. Okay, so now let's begin the wiring. Okay, so begin by connecting our main light. Okay, so from the main light, let's see here, from the main light, okay, from the main supply, it comes to one side of the stop push button. So that is the 2, okay, 1 and 2. So this side, all right. So put the cable there. If you want to understand this circuit, kindly watch the part 1, 2, and 3, okay, before you come here. And then from the other side, it's going to the forward start push button, one side. So this one is our forward start push button, okay. From this side. Then from the other side, okay, so from this side it's going to the forward start push button, the 3 and 4, this side. Then from the other side it's going to the relay 1, okay, the CR1 A1. So pick a cable. And send it to CR1. That is the A1. And then from the other side to okay, to the overload. All right. From the coil, going to the overload. Let's use this cable. So this is the overload. This is going to 95. Okay, 95. All right, and then from the 96 to neutral. Okay, you can see from here, from 96 this side, okay, to neutral line. So from 96. Let's use this blue cable. So 96 to neutral. 96 to neutral. 96 to neutral. So we are done, okay? Then we tap from the forward start push button, okay? Yeah, to the contactor K1 open contact, one side, okay? So we pick a cable, the first start, all right? Yeah, so that's the input this side. We are wiring it in parallel, okay? We are wiring those contacts in parallel. So, okay, so to go to the contactor K1 open contact this side. So these are K1. These contacts are the open, okay, and then the middle two are the close contacts. This one, all right, and this. So these are the open. So 13, 14. Oh, it didn't fix well. Okay. So then from the other side, it's going to an open contact on the CR1. Okay. Yeah. From the other side. All right. So the down are the open contacts. The down. I've already explained this relays. Then, so the down here, okay, the down here, yeah, this side and this are the open contacts. This one are the close contacts. So we are using the open contact. If you want to understand the relays, please kindly watch my videos on the relays, okay, or the limit switch, part 4, or the jogging circuit part 3, okay, the jogging circuit part 3. So from the other side, it's going to the coil, okay, CR1. So it is joining the coil, all right, yeah. So this is this side, okay, this side. Okay, so you are done with this side, okay. Now we tap from the open contact on the K1 to the forward jog push button one side, okay, yeah. So this side, tap from this side. Okay, so this one will be our forward jog push button, one side, the 3, that is the 3. And then from the other side, okay, the other side, it is going to the K1 A1, okay, the connector 1 A1, the coil. So from the other side, right. So this is the A1, this is the A1, okay, this side. kindly subscribe, put down your comment, okay, and share the video to your friends. Okay, and then we again tap from the other side of the forward, okay, the first side, that is the 3, okay, the terminal 3 of the forward jog push button to open contact on the CR1, okay. So the 3, so this is the 3, okay, this is the 3, this side. All right, so we open this side. Yeah, so to an open contact, sorry, yeah, to the open contact on the CR1, okay. So we bring it here. All right, and then from the other side, it is going to the contactor called A1, okay, that same place here. From the other side, it is going to this K1, A1. Pick a small cable. So let's use this small cable. Yeah, so we're done here. Then we tap from either the coil, okay, that contact, okay, the open contact the other side, or on the K1 where we connected this one just right now, okay, this blue. You can tap from here, okay, or we tap from here because they are all the same cable. Tap from there to the forward, okay, on the forward on light A1 or X. Normally the lamps are indicated X1 and then X2. All right, okay, so now you can take a cable, from either this side, okay, this cable either here or here, so you can pick from here, okay. Yeah, to the on indicator lamp A1, okay, or X1. So this should be the forward on. The forward on, this is the X1, if you can see, okay, on it I have the X1, okay, X1 and then X2, right, X1 and then X2, X1 then X2. So look at this side too, okay, I have the X1 here and then the X2 here. And then from the other side, okay, to neutral. So let's connect cable. Okay, so this will be the neutral, okay, this will be the neutral. So we are done. Now let's switch this side, okay, and we tap from this side, okay, the open contact on the CR1, okay, the second one, tap it, you give it to a close contact on the K1, all right, a close contact on the K1, okay. So this side, start from this side, okay, this side. This middle two, okay, this one 61, 62, 71, 72, they are all close contacts. See, they've written NC, right? Are you seeing it? Okay, so we give it to 61. All right, and then from the other side to the red lamp of the forward off lamp A1 or X1, okay, this side, from this side to this side, okay. So pick a cable, let's use this red cable. Then we give it to this red lamp, okay, yeah. So X1, the same thing, X1. So you open it, and then from the other side you go to neutral, okay, neutral. So you can join this cable, yeah, all the neutrals, okay, let me use this short cable. All the neutrals can be looped together. All right, so now we are done with the forward side, okay. So now left with the reverse side, right? We will pick from, can tap from the 61, okay, the contactor K1 close contact 61 to the reverse switch button one side. So let's take some cable, okay, that is the 61 this side. Okay, send it to the reverse switch button, okay, one side. So let me arrange this one first, yeah, okay. Yeah, so this is the stop button. This is the stop button. So this will be our reverse switch button, okay. So to come to, yeah, to come to one side, the 23 or 3, they are all open contacts. Then from the other side, okay, it's going to the CR2 relay 2, control relay 2 A1, Okay, so let's pick a cable from the other side. So this is the A1. This is the A1. Alright. And then from the other side to neutral, you connect it. So we start from the start push button one side, okay? The reverse start push button one side to the K2, open contact on the K2. So the first side, that is the 3 or the 23, this side, okay? Start from this side, okay? You see that? 23, this side. Yeah. So start from the 3. Right? Okay, it didn't fix well. Okay, to this side, the open contact on the K2, that's the reverse contactor. Then from the other side, it's going to an open contact on the CR2, okay? To this side. And then from the other side, it's going to the CR2 coil, okay? Let's use this cable, this yellow cable. Yeah. Just follow the wiring, okay? Step by step. It's going to the CR2 H coil. If you have any diagram that you want to see, you want to learn, want to know how it is drawn, or you want me to do it for you, just bring it. And we are done, okay? Then we tap from the K2, that is the 53, this side, okay? The K2 open side to the reverse jog push button one side. So I said this one will be our reverse jog push button. This one, okay? Yeah. So we tap from here. To one side of the reverse jog button, okay? Yeah, we're done. And then the other side, okay, we go to the contactor coil A1, okay. Yeah, the K2 contactor, the reverse contactor coil A1. So pick a cable. From the other side, pick it there. Coil A1. This is the coil, okay, this side, A1. Yeah. And then we tap from, okay, the reverse jog push button, okay, this side, okay, to an open contact on the CR2, alright. So we tap from here, this side, okay, this side, right, the one coming from the contactor, okay, this side, the open contact, okay. Right, so to go to, okay, open contact on the CR2, okay, so can move this side. Then from the other side, it is going to the K2 A1, okay. So you open here. Alright, then we tap from, okay, either the relay side, okay, the open side, or the K2 coil, okay, here, this side. So they are the same cable, so you can equally pick it from here, the CR2 open side, okay, where it went to the K2. Then we send it to the reverse on indicator lamp, okay. Yo. So this side, all right, this side. Let's see if I can get a long cable. So this cable, put it here, okay. Right, then bring it to the on indicator lamp, okay, for the reverse. So X1. Yeah, and then so the other side we go to neutral, we will connect it, okay. And then we tap again from the CR2 open contact, the input side, okay, to the reverse contactor coil, the reverse contactor contact, normally closed contact, okay. So this side is the input, okay. To this side 61, to the 61. All right, then this side will go to the reverse of indicator lamp. So this is the reverse of indicator lamp. And then the other side, okay, the other side, this side will go to neutral. So let's connect these cables together. They are the neutral. This blue cable, okay, and we'll connect this one here. So we are connecting the neutral cables. We are done with the complete wiring. We are connecting the neutral cables. Yeah, then okay, let's see. This one go to the relay 1, the relay 2, each neutral side, okay. Then you take another cable. Then from there, okay, as for okay, sorry, yeah, sorry, yeah, they are all going to neutral, the relay 2, CR2, yeah, to go to, they are all going to neutral, right? Yeah, and then this neutral is where is this side, okay, this side, all right, this side, okay, the overload side, they are all neutral, okay. Yeah, so the overload side is this wire, this cable, this cable, okay, this cable, this one, okay, the 95, right, 95 cable, it came here, it came to this side, the CR1 this side, okay, the CR1 this side, I'm missing it, the CR1 A2. So I will join all the neutral from that place, okay. Yeah, so all the neutral go to that place, okay. So I'll come here. Now we are done. Okay, so now let's arrange it. So this one is our forward jog button, okay. All right, it's our main stop button, okay. All right, then this is our reverse indicator lamp, okay. Yeah, this green lamp, okay, it's our reverse indicator lamp. All right, okay, yeah. So now let's start the circuit, okay. We are coming to start the circuit. Let me on the main breaker and come. You see, I've on the main breaker. You see, the red lamps are all on, right? You see the red lamps? They are all on, okay? Because the contactors, the K1 is not energized. The K2 is not energized. So it means that this contact is closed, providing power, okay, to this lamp, off lamp, the forward lamp, this one, okay, this one. And then the K2, this contact is also closed, providing the same power to this lamp, okay. So now let's operate the circuit. We are going to operate the circuit in the latch mode. We are going to press on the forward start push button, okay. When we remove our hand, okay, the K1 will still remain on. When we press it, then this lamp will go off. This lamp will come on. So let's press it. You see that? Now the green lamp is on, right? The green lamp is on. You see it? Now the green lamp is on. You see the CR1 is on. All right, and then the K1 is also on, okay. So now the motor is now moving in the forward direction, okay. As we press it, this CR1 energize, close this section, this contact, okay, and then close this contact, the K1, and then this lamp, they came on through this contact, and then the K1 energize, this contact close, providing a hold on. So when we remove our hand, okay, so the K1, this CR1 can still flow through this to remain it to keep it on. At the same time, this side will also close to maintain the K1 and then this light. That is why you see they are on, okay. So now I come to stop it. When you press the stop button to go off, the lamps are back again. You are going to press on the forward jog button, okay. When you press it, you see that the K1 is energized. This light is on, so the motor is now moving in the forward direction. When I remove my hand, okay, from the jog button, it will go up to de-energize. See, you see that? When I press it, it will energize. When I remove my hand, it will go off. So this is the jog state, okay, the jog mode for the forward side. Now let's come to the reverse side. Now I'm going to press on the reverse push button, okay. You see that? Now the CR2 is on. You see it is on. The K2 or the reverse contactor K2 is also energized. The reverse indicating lamp, okay, is also on. When I press the stop push button to go off, and then the reverse stop or the reverse off indicating lamp is also on. So they are all on, okay. So now when I press on the reverse jog button, this is the jog button, okay, the K1 will energize. Let's see that the light is on. The K1 is also energized. When I take off my hand, okay, when I take off my hand, it will go off. You see that? When I press it, it will energize. So now jog mode, okay. This is the jog mode, all right. This is the jog mode, okay. Yeah, this is the jog mode, okay. So engineers, this is so simple, all right. Over here, I did not add some two contacts. That is the interlocks. It is a forward and reverse circuit, okay. I should have added mechanical interlock or electrical interlock, okay. K1 contact, a close contact should be here, should be in series with the K2 coil. At the same time, K2 close contact, okay, should be in series with the K1 coil, okay. Yeah, so if you want to understand the interlocks, you have to add them. Since they are forward and reverse, you have to add them. But for the purpose of this demonstration, that is why I didn't add them. Okay, yeah. So if you want to understand it, watch my forward and reverse starter or circuit. You will know this contact. Okay, yeah. Yo, so engineers, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you really followed and understood the wiring at the same time the demonstration. All right. Yeah, it is so simple. Forward and reverse jogging circuit. All right. Yeah, my subscriber, okay, one of my subscribers asked me to produce this circuit so that he will also learn this, and then it will also benefit all of us. So make sure if you have a diagram, okay, you can bring it on board. Just write it in the comment section. All right. Or you send it to me, or send it to my email address. All right. I'll read it and then I will answer you. Okay, so kindly subscribe to the channel, okay, and then hit the bell icon to turn on your notification, and then share the video to your friends, okay, put down your comments and then like the video. So I'll see you in my next tutorials. Thank you.